Once again, welcome back to Yellow Tech Mahesh YouTube channel, guys. This is Mahesh, and you're watching Yellow Tech Mahesh. This video is a whole about the Microsoft Learn. Microsoft Learn is an online learning platform which is from the Microsoft. There are lot of courses available and which are for free. So for all the students, it is very helpful. Microsoft's aim is to make some poor students or some other students who are at the below poverty line how to gain some skills and gain some knowledge through this platform, because it is made for free. So don't miss this opportunity. Let me just show you how we can access the Microsoft Learn, and once you open it you won't leave it, because it's like that. And also you will also get some certifications if you have done any of the courses in the Microsoft Learn. Okay, let me just show you on the screen. Okay, first open browser and type Microsoft Learn and click enter. Simply open the first link. As I have already signed in, I am getting like this. Let me just sign out for you and show you from the starting. Yeah, if you are new to the Microsoft Learn, you will get like this. See here in the Microsoft Learn there are a lot of things. See, there are so many learning paths from which we can learn, and we can also get the certifications by taking the courses, that is Microsoft certified. And there is a Learn TV to watch the live recorded events. That means there will be some live events, that means live classes also will be taken by some professionals. We can access it through the live Learn TV. Like this there are some courses. Okay, first let me sign in for you and show you how we can access our courses. Simply choose your Microsoft account or sign in with your Microsoft account. I have a Microsoft account. I am simply choosing it from here. Make sure you have a Microsoft account to access Microsoft Learn. Yeah, after setting the account and signing in, we got like this. See here in the Microsoft Learn there are a lot of things. First, see here products. There are a lot of products here. That means if we click any of these products, we will get the related courses. For example, Azure. I have chosen the Azure. We will get some Azure related courses. That means we can learn Microsoft Azure. See here, these are all the Azure related courses. Azure Fundamentals, Part 1, Managed Resources, like this. Whatever the thing you want to learn, you can learn it. Like this, there are a lot of products. For example, I want to learn GitHub. Simply I am choosing the GitHub here. And I can have some GitHub related courses. That means how we can manage the life cycle of projects on GitHub, like this. How to automate, like this. There are some courses from which we can choose and we can have it and take the certifications, like this. These are all the products from which we can have some courses and get certified through Microsoft. And in the second one is the roles. See here, there are so many roles: administrator, AI engineer, app maker, auditor, like this. There are so many roles. If we choose any of the role, we can get some of the courses which are related to that role. For example, I am a developer. I am choosing the developer. Now see here, we can have some of the courses related to the developer. That means how we can deploy a website to Azure with the app service, like this. There are some related courses from which we can learn for free. See, there are a lot of courses like this here. If you are interested in having any of the role, simply choose it and take the related courses and get certified. And see here, student is also present. I am choosing the student now. If you are a student, you can choose the student there. See here, we can have web development for beginners, like this. These are the basic courses for the students, how we can make some websites for the students, like this. There are a lot of things and a lot of courses available in this platform, that is Microsoft Learn, from which we can learn. And the next one is Learn TV. In the starting I have tell you about the Learn TV, that there will be some of the live or some recorded classes will be available, which is taken by the professionals. We can have it from here. See, now I think there is some session is having that is about how to create your personal blog with Gatsby, like this, static web apps, like this. It is going on now, like this. There will be happening every day. There will be some live courses will be taken by the professionals. So if you want to have it, you can choose it from the Learn TV. And the last but one is certifications. Overview means an overview of the certifications, how many. These are all the Microsoft certifications from which we can have it. See here, developer, administrator, solution architect, like this. If you open once and seeing it, you won't leave this platform. If you have choose here browse certifications, means if you have done any of the courses, those certifications will also available from here, and you can have the certificate browse courses, like this. There are a lot of options here from which we can choose many of the courses which we are interested. The last one is FAQ. I think we don't need that. Like this, there are a lot of things. Just once open this website and explore it, you won't leave this. For example, I want to learn some Python, which I didn't found here, right? I think I'm not interested in these products, and I'm not interested in any of these types of roles. I just want to learn Python, that's it. I can simply search here for Python, simply Python, and enter. See here, we are getting like this. Simply click on the first one. It will be directly go to course. This is a course for learning Python, which is a basic course for Python. If you want to learn Python, you can learn it. See here, introduction to Python. From starting onwards, module wise, there are some modules here. Like this, module wise, we can learn Python. Like this, any of the courses which you are interested to learn, you can have it from here. It's very simple. See, the rating is 4.7. Like this, there are a lot of courses. Find it, search for it, find it, and have it. Finally, don't forget to take the certificate. Like this, we have a lot of courses in this Microsoft Learn. I hope you all use it. Can have a lot of things. For example, if I want to start this, simply click here, start, and read all this documentation. And after completion of up to here, you can click continue. It will go to the next one. Like this, we can have from the scratch onwards. According to the course, we can have the content according to the scratch, from scratch onwards. Like this, we have everything. So open it, use it, and have the certifications. That's it about this Microsoft Learn. I hope you all enjoyed this. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you have a good time from this video, guys. If you really like the video, please like it. And if there are any of your friends who are interested in this type of videos, please share this video to those people. And also, if you are new to this channel, maybe you are watching the first time this video from this channel, please subscribe our channel, because your subscription gives a lot more than the present. Thanks for watching this video, guys.